is Holly Locker with JDS Industries. Today I'm going to show you how to sublimate a ceramic mug. We're using our transfers that we printed with our Ricoh printers with sawgrass inks, and just one of our 11-ounce mugs today. And our transfers, you can usually fit 2 mug transfers up on an 8.5 by 11. When you cut out your transfer, make sure that you cut inside your die line, otherwise that line will sublimate onto the end of the mug. We have some already cut here. I'm just going to tape them on. Usually make them the size, the height of your mug, and then it makes it a lot easier to line up your transfer. And I just line up one end here. We'll line up the bottom, and then we use heat tape. We tape it right by the handle. Just a little piece on each side. And then we also are going to tape on a blank piece of scratch paper that has no print or anything on it, and that will keep the ink from getting onto our mug press. Just any kind of copy paper will work for that. Today I'm going to be using a George Knight mug press. This is a GKD3 from George Knight. It's a standalone mug press. We do carry these at JDS Industries. I'm going to set it for 400 degrees at about 5.5 minutes. You might find it takes a little bit longer for a bigger mug. Your mug press will vary too. Do check with your manufacturer on your mug press. Also, different mugs will vary in time as well. Some mugs have harder coatings than others, and some have a softer coating. Ours are a harder coating that will withstand a residential dishwasher and a microwave. So you have to be very careful when you put the mug press. Just hold the handle and slide the mug in. I already have my pressure set. It's a medium pressure, and you just want it to pinch right around the handle, and I try to get it as even as possible right around the handle as I can. If you did have to adjust the width of the mug, if the circumference was slightly, some mugs will vary just from mug to mug. You can use your little tool and you can just tighten it down with the tool. You lift up and you can tighten it down right there. But we're just going to let this cook for 5.5 minutes, and we'll show you how it comes out when it's done. Okay, now that our mug is done, we're going to just release the handle and just take it with the handle. I'm using some protective heat gloves here so I don't burn myself. Now you can take the transfer off right away. If you do take the transfer off right away, do be careful so that it doesn't bump back onto the mug as you're removing it. Otherwise it will pick up a little bit of that ink still left on the transfer. But you can also dip it right away with the transfer on in some lukewarm water. You can hear a little sizzle there as it cools off. We'll just let it cool off a little bit. We can take it out here. And it's still going to be quite hot, so you still want your protective glove on. You can dry it off here, and you can see we got a nice, bright, vivid image on our mug press, and that's how easy mugs are in a mug press. I'm Holly Locker with JDS Industries. If you have any further questions on our mugs or any of our other sublimatable products, you can visit us at